Hello, friends, and welcome back. We are in day 4 of our first lesson in our Ready Up section. So after this lesson today, I'm going to ask you to reach out to me via either email or text message and let me know that you have completed all of lesson 1 so that I can assess your student in the progression that they've made so far in this first week's lesson. You guys have been doing a great job. So let's get started with today's quick lesson. Today is the last part of learning in our first learning progression together, where we're working on distinguishing or determining the difference between short and long vowels. So let's review. We've worked on these all week. Let's review the long and short vowel sounds. Remember, long vowel sounds always say their name. So those are the easiest ones for me to remember. They always say A, E, I, O, and U. They always say their name. The short vowel sounds always say A as in apple, Eh as in elephant, I as in igloo, Ah as in octopus, and as in umbrella. Learning guides, you're going to want to have a whiteboard or a piece of paper for your child to write on, as well as your teacher's guide, page 36, and your child is also going to need student page 36 later on in the lesson. But let's begin by writing the words pack and lake. I'll wait for you guys to go ahead and get your whiteboard or your sheet of paper, pause the video, and then come on back. Now that you guys are back and you have something to write with, I would like you to write the words pack and lake. Do you hear the A sound in p-a-k, pack? This is a short A sound. Do you hear the A in lake? This is a long A sound. Now remember that the combination A-E makes that A sound. So that A, there's a space for a letter, and then E at the end makes that A sound. So the E at the end makes that A say its name. Let's go ahead and practice one more time with our words pack and lake. So we know that the word pack is a short A sound. We can segment it into p, a, k, pack. Then we can segment lake, since it's a long A sound, into l, a, k, lake, putting all of those sounds together. With your learning guide, I would like you to practice these words. So go ahead and write these words on your whiteboard. Men, feel, trim, climb, plop, stole, bug, and clue. See if you can identify whether these are long or short vowel sounds. When you are done, you may resume our video. Welcome back, friends. I hope you had a great time practicing those words. Now, on your student page 36, you are going to do a little fun activity today. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out the 10 words that are at the top of lesson 1. Shop, slide, rug, shave, flute, band, sew, seed, trick, and spell. You're going to cut those out and you're going to sort them into short versus long vowel sounds. Part 2, you're going to read these words with your learning guide and identify, which means tell, the spelling of the vowel sound in each long and short vowel sound. So let me give you one example. If I'm looking at a short vowel such as track, oh, track, that vowel spelling is just A, just A and ack. But then I have ace. Do you hear that A sound? That's a long A. So that must be spelled A-E. See how that's spelled? A with a space for a letter, E. That's what you're going to do with your learning guide. So first you're going to have some fun cutting out some words. Then you're going to go on the bottom and tell your learning guide, don't forget the spelling and whether it's a long or short vowel sound. You guys have done a great job in all of lesson 1. Don't forget to reach out to me now via email or text, and we will set up that quick assessment at the end of lesson 1 so you guys can begin learning progression number 2 for lesson 2. Thank you guys and have a great day. I look forward to hearing from you.